Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just to show you this 2025 Wagoneer L that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the unit today just to show you some of the features and options that this Wagoneer has to offer. Now, if you're looking for a step up in your next vehicle, the Wagoneer lineup is definitely a great choice for you. This Wagoneer L comes equipped with tons of great features. As we come around towards the back here, of course, you can see your backup camera, power lift gate, plenty of cargo room in the back of the unit. As you can see back there, even with that third row up, you also do have all of your extra floor mats included with this unit, your power folding seats. So you can see you can easily fold down both that second and third row and fold them back up. Again, just your power liftgate option. So taking a peek inside, second row, you do have your second row bucket seats, as you can see there, so you can get 2 passengers in that second row. Tons of leg room for them. This unit does have your entertainment system in the back, so you can see those screens mounted on the back of the front seats on each side. All of your USB port hookups in the back, heated second row seats, as well as your climate control options, dual pane sunroof up top. Again, easily access that third row by a push of a button. 3 passengers in that back seat. Taking a peek up front. So touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface with the Uconnect system equipped in here. So as you can see right now, climate control options accessible in through your touchscreen. So you do have a dual climate control, heated and vented front seats, as well as your heated steering wheel. So a lot of great features packed in there. All of your media controls, Bluetooth capabilities, and access to all of your apps and settings and navigation. Just below your screen, again, just kind of your basic climate control options down in through there. Wireless charger port just in below that, more USB port hookups. Key fob for the unit here, remote start is included. Push button start, all of your steering wheel mount control, so cruise control options in on the right hand side, adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left hand side, audio media in behind. So everything easily accessible right on the steering wheel. Power windows, lock side mirrors, as well as your memory driver's seat. So that's just a quick look at this 2025 Jeep Wagoneer L Series 2. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.